What has to happen with the future of the musical talent in the church? It's time for the church to have a system to where we breed our own musical talent no matter what. No matter how much talent stays, no matter how much talent walks out the door, we have to have an ongoing system that breeds musical talent, like a factory. You know what I mean? Or I would say, you think about the FBI, how they always recruit every year. The FBI always recruits and they always train every year, no matter what. No matter what the conditions are, no matter what's going on, they take it very, very serious. So that's how it has to be in the church. That's the future of musical talent in the church. Okay. And so my thing is, it's time to make that happen. That's just what it is. So it's either that, the other alternative is the musical talent dies out and you're left with nothing. And nobody wants that. So we're going to have to put our own system together that's going to breed our own musical talent, and that's just what it is.